Malachi, who brought you all the goodies?
Bunny.
Who?
Easter bunny.
The Easter Bunny. Man, he is so nice, isn't he? Yeah. JC, is it yummy? Yummy? Yeah. Jalen. Yummy. That's a good cookie. Yum, 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 yum. Addie. Addie. Addie, you are so serious when it comes to your food. Yes. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah. Do you know that you can eat that Easter grass? And look, these little blue bunnies here. See these little blue bunnies? Look. Mmm.
These are bunnies.
Mmm. It almost tastes like cereal. It's yummy.
What?
Okay, everybody say Happy Easter. Say it with me.